They tell you that steady growth is about playing it safe, about avoiding risks that could shatter your future, but you feel it deep down. Something's missing. You're screaming for a strategy that doesn't just survive, but actually wins, year after year, decade after decade. You watch others pour money into flashy startups, wild bets, chasing the hype, only to bleed dry or crash and burn. You're stuck wondering, is there a path that guarantees growth, that shields your capital like armor, while still exploding in value long term? The answer is right in front of you, disguised as something old, something misunderstood. Endowment funds. Endowment funds aren't just some dusty relic of the past or a boring charity savings account. They're fierce, relentless engines designed to outlast market chaos, political storms, and economic breakdowns. They combine the power of diversification with the wisdom of patient investing. No impulsive moves, no chasing trends, just pure strategic growth that compounds quietly but explosively. You've been hammered with the myth that safety and growth can't coexist, that you have to pick one or the other. Endowment funds prove the opposite. They dare to be both, the fortress and the rocket. Here's the brutal truth. You can't win if you don't think beyond short-term gain. If you're chasing quick exits, fueled by adrenaline and fear of missing out, you're not playing the game, you're losing it. The elite know this and build structures that ride out storms, that don't panic when the market screams. Endowment funds use that secret weapon, patient capital locked in for decades, generating income and reinvesting it in innovation, real assets, private equity, and yes, public markets too. This isn't just investment, it's a mindset, a commitment to build unstoppable growth through cycles of fear and greed. Every founder, every investor who stares down volatility and says not today is essentially following this playbook without even knowing it. But it's deeper than that. Endowment funds also grant you freedom. Real freedom to make bold moves knowing the backbone won't snap. Most investors are trapped by the ticking clock, forcefully selling at the worst moments, burned by liquidity demands. Endowments laugh at that. They are patient. They hold. They dominate because they refuse to be prisoners of panic. This is about shaking the foundations. Tear away the illusions sold to you since day one. That profit is a sprint. That safety is a cage. That strategy is about blending in. No, strategy is about standing so far ahead, you become the standard others strive to catch. The safest growth strategy isn't hiding behind walls. It's building walls that expand with agility, innovation, and uncompromising discipline. So here's the challenge. Don't waste time flailing in mediocre plays. Stop chasing the quick buck. Build your own endowment mindset. Start now. Diversify ruthlessly. Private equity, venture, real estate, cash-flowing assets that balance each other out. Embrace volatility as an ally, not the enemy. Lock your capital for the long haul, shield it with layers of strategic investments that withstand crisis and even thrive in it. Let compound interest and reinvestment crush the limits others accept. Act like a guardian of generational wealth, not a merchant of fleeting wins. For the founders grinding day and night, for investors battling chaos, for leaders craving real freedom, this is the path. Forget what the world told you about risk and reward. Endowment funds rewrite those rules. They turn patience into power, caution into conquest, strategy into legacy. You're not here to play small. You're here to shatter illusions, to build something so resilient, so profound. It survives every storm and grows beyond your wildest dreams. This is the edge where safety breeds growth, where risk is controlled, and where only the truly bold dare to build. If you want that fire burning in your chest to find a way forward that's unshakable, listen close. Become the master of patience, the architect of resilience, the builder of your own endowment. Stop fighting the world's lies. Start winning the way only the few can, building legacies that refuse to die. The clock's ticking. The time to rethink is now. Don't just seek safe growth. Demand unstoppable growth. This is the fight worth having. This is the freedom worth winning.